Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash on stuff that's actually worth it. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a jalapeno in a sauna. In the left corner, we have the Tomzon A23 mini drone, aka Tommy. And in the right corner, we have the Loiley drone, or as we like to call it, Lola. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. Tommy is a budget-friendly little guy, coming in at just 39 bucks. That's cheaper than a dinner date, and probably more fun too. On the other hand, Lola is flaunting a $99 price tag. That's right, folks, for the price of Lola, you could literally buy 2.5 Tommies. But hey, maybe Lola's got some hidden talents. Let's find out. Ease of use is next. Tommy's got the basics covered with one key takeoff and throw to go, which sounds like a wrestling move but is actually a great feature for kids and beginners. Amazon reviewers love how easy it is to control and how responsive it is, making it an excellent choice for indoor flying. Lola, however, is stepping it up with one key takeoff landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Plus, it comes with an app for smart control. That's right, you can fly Lola with your phone, your voice, and even hand gestures. Reviewers praise its advanced features and user-friendly design, making it suitable for pilots of all skill levels. Now, let's get to the fun stuff. Tommy can do 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. It's practically a mini stunt plane. Reviewers love its fast-flying capabilities and cool RGB lighting effects, making it a hit for kids and adults alike. Lola, on the other hand, can also do 360 degrees flips but adds gravity sensing, music, and filters. It's like Lola is saying, "Tommy, hold my propellers and watch this." Reviewers highlight these additional features as adding an extra layer of fun and excitement to their flights. For those who want to capture their aerial escapades, camera quality is crucial. Tommy doesn't have a camera. Sorry, Tommy, but Lola's got an HD 1080p camera that can be adjusted remotely up to 90 degrees. Plus, it has real-time image transmission. So if you want to take selfies from the sky, Lola's your girl. Reviewers appreciate the decent camera quality and the stable flight capabilities, making it a great choice for capturing aerial shots. Portability is another biggie. Tommy is small and light, but Lola takes it to the next level. She's foldable and can fit in your pocket or backpack, weighing under 250 grams. That's right, no FAA registration needed. You can take Lola on a road trip, a hike, or even to your next family reunion to show off your mad drone skills. Reviewers love how easy it is to carry and store Lola, making it a convenient choice for on-the-go adventures. Let's talk battery life. Tommy comes with 2 modular batteries for a total of 18 minutes of flight time. Reviewers note that while the battery life is decent, the charger could be better. Lola, however, offers approximately 25 to 30 minutes with her 2 rechargeable batteries. That's like comparing a coffee break to a full lunch hour. And Lola's remote even gives you a low battery warning, so you won't have to worry about her dropping out of the sky mid-flight. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time and the added convenience of battery warnings. Safety first, folks. Tommy's got 4 propeller guards and is made from tough materials that can withstand collisions. Reviewers highlight its durability and how well it holds up to abuse, making it a great option for kids. Lola, however, comes with propeller guards, spare fan blades, and remote control batteries. Plus, she offers overvoltage protection and professional after-sales support. Reviewers appreciate these additional safety features and the peace of mind they provide. Overall, reviewers find the Tomzon A23 mini drone to be a fun, durable, and budget-friendly option, especially for kids and beginners. Its ease of use and entertaining features make it a hit for indoor flying. On the other hand, the Loiley drone is praised for its advanced features, longer battery life, and decent camera quality. It's seen as a versatile and user-friendly option for pilots of all skill levels, providing exceptional value for money. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a tight budget and just want to have some fun, Tommy's your guy. But if you've got a bit more cash to splash and want all the bells and whistles, Lola is definitely worth the investment. Either way, you'll be flying high and having a blast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future comparisons. And let us know in the comments, are you Team Tommy or Team Lola? Until next time, keep flying smart. Bye, Smart Fam. Product links are in the description.